YouTubers. This is Brian. Welcome back. This is Brian from Brian Chloe's World. Tonight, I'm going to show you something interesting, which you all like. I'm going to tell a little story about my fountain, my dwarfs, and everything like that. All right, enjoy. All right, this is my fountain and my little dwarfs or Smurfs, rainy Smurf, Papa Smurf, Smurfette, Papa Smurf. Look at all the little dwarfs, and Superman is saving the day and everything like that. Little snail. And hey, look, there's Ariel waving to us. In the magic fountain, Ariel's waving at us. How neat. And there's a little mushroom on there. There's all kinds of things. Little turtles, there's Wonder Woman, and how's Wonder Woman doing? How's Superman? He's saving the world. And the little dwarfs, little rocks. And there's like a karate smurf on. There's like a karate surf on a rock. I bet he's fighting evil with Superman and Wonder Woman. And here's Ariel, waving and enjoying herself near the water. There's a dwarf, and then you see the little water falling and a little tree, and there's a mushroom with little crystals in there. How interesting. Little starfish thing. Look at all the dwarfs waving and cheering and chanting and things like that. How interesting. I'll show you more of my jellyfish and everything like that too. Isn't this cool? My little meditation fountain, or little humidifier along with the tree and the mushrooms. The little interesting lava light or something, or one of those relaxing lights. All right. That is very cool. The little dwarfs and everything. Now, well, we're going to look at this. Say bye to Ariel. Make sure you like and comment. And maybe in my other videos that I'll make, like and comment if you like Smurfs or dwarfs or even Ariel, or even that mushroom and things up on that tree there. Look at all the Smurfs. They're waving, cheering. Papa Smurf is there, Smurfette. All the dwarfs, Superman. And this thing here, Ariel and the fountain. Wow, little froggy. I'll be back to show you the fish. All right, we're back. I'll show you the fish. It's a little story. This is my betta fish. It's daytime light. And now, if we turn it, nighttime light. So that's nighttime light for the fish. Very cool. 3 betta fish. There's a story with them too. There's like, look at all the neat things in the betta fish tank. All neat little rocks, neat little corals, and little trees and plants and everything in there. All right. I'll be back. Well, there's my jellyfish swimming and everything like that. Like you see at an aquariums and stuff like that. Like I showed you the fish and everything like that, though. Watch the thing turn colors. I think it's like ocean water or fresh water. Not ocean or sea water that they swim in. Comment below what kind of water they swim in or something. Be sure you leave some good comments. Very interesting. And this here is like a barrel going over Niagara Falls, which is exciting. I've been to that museum. I got that from the IMAX theater when I went to watch the movie. Alright, let's watch the jellyfish for a little bit. Swimming up and down. Thing is like turning different colors. Well, it's very interesting. These things are really interesting. They say Punta Cana on there and things like that. Very interesting. I hope you like those. Alright. Alright, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe to Brian and View and all that to Brian Chloe's World. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and view and all that to Brian Chloe's World. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.